make sure you have those things in there. This is 10 tips. So you make sure that you have all this stuff in there and you have it ready to make sure you don't get flagged on DOT inspections. But your emergency equipment, you're going to have your triangle, your fire extinguisher, spare fuses. I would also recommend having an IFAK kit with like maybe a tourniquet, something along those lines, a quick clot, that type of thing. But carry an IFAK with you as well. That way, if something gets cut or you see an accident and you can save somebody's life because you have that, that's just another thing that you can carry along with your other safety equipment that you should already have, your fire extinguisher, all that stuff. But yeah, IFAK can help in a lot of situations. I carry one in all of my vehicles. There's been times where there's been a wreck or something like that, and you can assist somebody else maybe with a tourniquet or with a quick clot or whatever. There's other things that are in that IFAK kit. But carry one of those in your truck too. And not just if you see somebody else in an accident, but if you hurt yourself or, you slice a leg open or something, whatever, accidents happen, right?